I'm here to pose the question, what is a dad? What characteristics and what qualities does a dad possess? Does he show his kids how much he loves them, making them feel special and important? Or does he ignore them, making them feel lonely and making them guess at how deep and real his affection is? Does a dad support his kids in everything they do, whether it's something attainable or something far-fetched? Or does a dad play an unsupportive role, making his kids feel that what they do is insignificant and unworthy of his time? Does a dad do his best to guide his kids towards the most beneficial path in life, sharing his wisdom and his beliefs with his kids, and by being the most positive role model in their lives? Or is he absent? Does he remove himself from his children's lives, whether by actually not being around at home or by merely sitting on a couch and flipping a remote? I mean, what is a dad? I know that my dad didn't do any of the positive things I just mentioned. In fact, he went over and above in doing the things that no one would say a dad should do. I remember being glad and relieved when my mom finally told me he'd left for good. I know that seems harsh. I mean, why would an 11-year-old rejoice in hearing that her father wasn't coming home? Maybe it's because the only affection that 11-year-old received from her father was for show, in front of people he worked with. Or maybe it's because she watched her dad lock her sister in a closet. Or because she saw him punch holes in the wall for no reason other than anger. Or because she remembers her mom carrying her to the car at 2 a.m. to drive by bars and see if maybe her dad's car was parked outside one. She remembers the hurt on her mom's face when she said, "Mom, there's Dad's truck," and it was parked outside of a strip club. Or even if that wasn't why, maybe it's just because her dad would never come to her dance recitals. Yeah, that's mainly who my dad was. But I can say with complete assurance that that's not what a real dad is. Because every good quality that my dad lacked, God became in my life. Far more abundantly than I could have ever dreamed, the Lord became my Father. He holds me. He tells me that I'm worth every ounce of effort available to Him. He listens to me when I ramble about unimportant things. We have fun together. He makes my life absolutely fun. He is dependable. He provides for all my needs in the most extravagant ways. He kisses my wounds when I stray from the path that He's set before me. And I'm never alone. Isn't that what a dad really is?